Hey guys, back on our video. Today I'm going to review my nerf guns. First one, I'm going to show you all them if you didn't see my other videos. The Nerf Elite rapidstrike, a rapid fire attack, zombie pistol, and the Nerf rifle. So I'm going to show you how to use them all one by one, and then just do other things. Well, first of all, you'll want to load your gun back for the rifle. First of all, make sure the safety is off. It is off. So we'll just load it back. Got it, and then just second one, the zombie pistol. Basically the same thing, except for you don't load it back with it, you just shoot it. This spins. That's the thing. I modded this so it don't have the part that you pull down, but you do have to pull this back 2 times and then shoot it. But right now I have no clip, obviously you can't see it. And the last one, my favorite. This my favorite. I'll say it again. So here's how you use it. First of all, you take a clip with the bullets in it, put it in. Make sure you have the part with the batteries in it. Right now I don't. First of all, if you want the scope up, down, you can use this and just so it's shorter. Make it just longer. Take it. There's a button right here. You have to press it down and let it charge for minutes, and then you just shoot it. And there's another scope right here. You can add attachments and stuff. Obviously, to the bottom too. Not sure. Yeah, you can add them to the sides. You can get a short clip, a long clip, and here's how you take the clip out. You have to press this button down. I'll show you. You have to take this clip, push it down, and then just pull it out. Like that. You just put it back in. And yeah. So, and here's the other part I want to show you. It's basically a rubber band ball you can make with these rubber bands. Small as I can use balloons. Just take a bunch of them, just start rolling them up into a little ball, and then just keep adding them until you get some that looks like this. Pretty cool. I've made a few myself. Fun to play with. They don't bounce or anything. They're just cool to play with and stuff. So that's about does it. I will be posting other videos. I know I haven't made one in a while. I have learned how to do another keyboard thing. And also, I learned a few more other things to do. So I'm playing Forge of Vampires 2. Money. And also, this thing is still going on. I'm playing Mario right now. Let me get to it. Alright, here we go. And let's see if it's still making a sound. Alright. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's not like gaming. You can actually just look at Super Mario Bros. You'll see a bunch of pictures like on Google where the pictures usually are, where like you look up images, and it'll say Super Mario Bros. On there. Next to it, it shows like one of the mystery boxes with like it's like changing colors. It's like orange and like light orange and dark orange and whatever. You could also look up Pac-Man, little hooks. Well, and then like when you look it up, it should say play Pac-Man Doodle, Google homepage, May 21st, 2010. It says click to play. Let's play it. So yeah, it's just like the actual original Pac-Man. It's just like a smaller screen, little stuff. Alright, well, I'm still playing. I haven't died once. Both different angles. Oh, dead. So yeah, just like little books and stuff on Google. I haven't figured out any yet. So Pac-Man has a father. Oh, nice. That's so cool. Okay, so they have this like Pac-Man game, like for PS2, I think, and the guy who plays is actually Pac-Man's father. That's actually pretty cool. So I uploaded this video. It was called Top 21 Nerf Guns and stuff, and this one was included in it. I didn't add the rival because really I don't like the rival that much. Like it's a good gun and all, but I don't really like it that much. So I'm not like really much into it. But like other than that, it's pretty cool. Also I'm gonna send down in the description for my brother, and when I do, I'm also gonna have a description about the Nerf gun video too. And me and my assistant slash Sia, my sister, are gonna have like enough gun war. I'm not sure if I said in my last video. I think I did though. So that's just about what's going on. So like I'm gonna end this video off here because like I really don't have nothing more to talk about. But if you like this video, me showing you the Nerf guns, the Wolverine ball, and how you can like make it, how you can like shoot them, in case like anyone wonders how. But
Nerf or nothing. What is Nerf or nothing?
So, like I said, it's Nerf for nothing. She didn't say that. My cool channel did. So if you liked it, comment down below what other videos I should make. That's just about it. So yeah, just comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bar down there. I'm gonna have the descriptions down there too. So yeah, this is just about it. I hope you guys had a good day, and I hope y'all liked the video too. Peace.